Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today, we will delve into a fundamental and important process in mechanical processing, the manual processing method for metal material parts, sawing. Sawing is not only a key technique for cutting small materials and workpieces, but also a basic skill that every mechanical operator must master. Next, let's step into the world of sawing. From definition to operation, we will comprehensively understand this process. First, let's clarify the definition of sawing. Sawing is the operation of using a hand hacksaw to cut or slot smaller materials and workpieces. It is one of the indispensable basic processes in the field of mechanical processing. So, what tools do we need for sawing? The main tool for sawing is the hacksaw. It consists of a saw frame and a saw blade. It is easy to operate and is suitable for cutting or slotting. It is widely used in fields such as metal processing and wood processing. It is particularly good at the initial processing of small workpieces or materials. It is both efficient and economical. Next, let's take a detailed look at the structure of the hacksaw. The saw frame is divided into adjustable and fixed types. The adjustable saw frame allows the length of the saw blade to be adjusted. It offers high flexibility and is suitable for workpieces of different sizes. The fixed saw frame, on the other hand, has a stable structure. It is suitable for workpieces of fixed sizes, regardless of the type. The saw frame is usually made of strong and durable steel plates, ensuring the stability of the sawing process. The length of the saw blade is usually represented by the distance between the centers of the mounting holes at both ends. The commonly used length is 300 millimeters. It is suitable for various workpieces. Saw blades come in various materials, such as carburized mild steel, cold rolled, carbon tool steel, or alloy steel. After heat treatment and hardening, they have high hardness and good wear resistance. In addition, saw blades are divided into 3 types based on tooth pitch: coarse, medium, and fine, to adapt to workpieces of different hardness and thickness. Next, we move into the core part of the sawing operation. The installation of the saw blade is crucial. During installation, the teeth should face forward. The wing nut should be tightened appropriately. Ensure the saw blade is firm and its plane is parallel to the center plane of the saw frame. After installation, carefully check if the saw blade is secure and if the tension is appropriate to prevent the saw blade from loosening during sawing. The starting method is also key. The fast start method is suitable for longer workpieces. The starting angle is about 15 degrees, and it is easy to control the sawing direction. The near start method is suitable for shorter workpieces. When starting, use the left thumb to block the saw blade. To prevent the teeth from breaking, for special workpieces like thin-walled tubes, they should be clamped between wooden pads with V-shaped grooves to prevent flattening and damaging the surface. Sawing operation. The posture during sawing should be natural and the swing of the saw frame should be moderate. The speed should be consistent to avoid dulling the saw blade. Apply force evenly if stopping midway. Remove the saw frame. Reduce pressure when the workpiece is almost cut through to prevent the workpiece from breaking and causing injury. At the same time, always pay attention to the straightness of the saw cut. Adjust in time to ensure the saw cut aligns with the marked line. When performing sawing operations, safety is always the top priority. In terms of safe operation, the saw blade should be installed with appropriate tension. Do not apply excessive force during sawing to avoid the saw blade breaking and causing injury. When stopping midway, the saw frame must be removed from the workpiece to prevent the saw blade from slipping accidentally when the workpiece is almost cut through. Hold the part to be separated with your hand. To prevent the workpiece from falling and causing injury, in terms of precautions, pay attention to the correctness of the starting method and angle to avoid damaging the saw blade. Do not saw too quickly, and the swing of the saw frame should not be too large. The posture should be natural. When sawing steel, you can add some engine oil to cool and lubricate the saw blade to extend the life of the saw blade. After sawing, loosen the tension nut on the saw frame appropriately and store it properly to prevent the saw blade from deforming due to prolonged tension. Finally, let's look at the marking and clamping of the workpiece. Marking is an important step before sawing. Saw along the marked line to ensure the saw cut is in the correct position. Use appropriate marking tools, such as scribers and steel straight edges, to ensure the lines are clear and accurate. After marking, carefully check the accuracy of the lines. Ensure there are no mistakes before proceeding with sawing. The workpiece should be clamped on the left side of the bench vise for ease of operation. The workpiece should not extend too far from the vise jaws to avoid wobbling during sawing. Clamp firmly, while avoiding deforming the workpiece or damaging the machined surface. Try to align the saw cut line with the vertical direction to make it easier to control the saw cut and prevent it from deviating from the marked line. Alright, that concludes today's lesson. I hope that through this learning, you can gain a deeper understanding of the sewing process and apply it in practical operations to improve our processing accuracy and efficiency. Thank you, everyone.